Welcome back to Journey Alberta. I'm Sean. Here's my friend Jesse. It's been a while since I've done a video with him. Today we're in Hill Springs Provincial Park. We are hiking the trail here at Hill Springs Provincial Park. We're starting from the other end of what we have in the past, going up the hill first, and then when we finish this hike today, we'll be coming out near all the waterfalls. So probably about a kilometer and a half, a couple hundred meters of elevation gain at the most, I think. Shouldn't be too tough. Should be pretty nice when we get to the top here. Made to the top of the hill here. It was a little tough as it's quite humid and hot out today. Maybe about plus 26, 27 degrees Celsius. Especially in the sun though. Now we're slowly starting to descend. Eventually we'll be at waterfalls. But for now we're still in the trees, and it's a really nice path going through the trees here. We found some kind of fort here at the top of the hill. I'm gonna go in. Good living here. Good. Probably not. I think we've started descending now. Officially. Before I thought we were descending, but we were just going down a small hill before we came to that little tree fort, I guess, we found. Yeah, it looks like this is the part of the trail now that's going down. We've got a fence right here now, as you can see. There's also a sign right here. Provincial Park boundary. Always make sure to respect those signs. These areas can be enjoyed for everyone for years to come. Like I've said before in many videos. Heading down now along this fence. You can hear the creek down there. Well, we've been down now for a little bit following along the creek here, but I think we're getting to the spot now Yes, we are. Where there are a lot of waterfalls. In this park, you know, there's lots of waterfalls. It's one of the reasons I love it. Well, here we go. Here they are. Back at the parking lot. I had a lot of fun walking up the reverse way from what I've normally walked up when at Big Hill Springs Provincial Park. What do you think about going up, climbing first and then seeing the waterfalls at the end?
You know, it was like really hot out today, and as you can tell, I've been sweating, so I've been drinking lots of water. Going the opposite way, there was hardly any people behind us. You were running into mainly people coming the other way, which was nice that you could stop and take a breather every once in a while. And it's definitely a better payoff because you go through all the hard work and get to see the beautiful waterfalls at the end. It actually got a little bit more cloudier around the end, and the wind kind of cooled things down. So all in all, I had a really amazing day today.
Yeah, and a nice breeze is coming in right now. And I really enjoyed seeing all the waterfalls as usual. It's busy out here today, but everyone was pretty good with their social distancing, so I'm thankful for that. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching today's video. We've had fun exploring out here in Big Hill Springs Provincial Park. Subscribe for new videos coming every Friday. Leave a like and comment down below where you'd like to see me go next. See you next week.